Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, we will learn, no, and then I will discuss on how to create a program that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will simply perform addition and division of the two given number using C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Okay, so we have here sharp include stdio.h for input output, std means standard, IO means input output header file. This library file is very important in every C program. Without this, we cannot use basic command like printf and scanf. Int a, b, sum and divide, which has a data type of integer. So when we say integer, it is a data type can accept only whole number, negative, including 0. Int main, it is the starting point of every C program. When we run our program, the C compiler will search this function and then we will execute. The same way when we terminate the program, we have here left curly bracket, the begin of the body of our C program. Printf or print formatting, 2\n means new line. It is an escape sequence in C. Printf \t horizontal tab, addition and divide two numbers in C. This will be the title of our program. So printf \t horizontal tab, the \t, enter two numbers. We are asking the user to give two numbers that will be stored in variable a and b, ampersand a and b, and printf new line here. And then we have assignment statement sum that will hold the computed value of a plus b. The same thing with divide, equals open and close parentheses a slash b for division. We have here new line, and then we display the result. The sum of %d and %d is %d. We have two new line here, a, b, and sum. The quotient, or for the division of %d and %d is %d, \n, a and b, and divide. We have here new line, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, and print new line here, two new line, \n, and then right curly bracket to close the body of our main function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today in my two websites for free. Let us go to our Visual Dev C++ to compile and run our program. Okay, our program is running right now. Addition and divide two numbers in C. Enter two numbers. Let's say we have 16 and 2. So the sum of 16 and 2 is 18. The quotient between 16 and 2 is 8, and a program. Another example, let us compile and run. Let's say we have 210. So the sum of 210 is 210. The quotient of 210 is 20, and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on addition and divide two numbers in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.